Hello everyone, I am Mamisika, your #1 Kasoa ambassador. Ever since I started my YouTube channel, a lot of you guys have gained interest in Kasoa. People have bought houses in Kasoa, people have bought land in Kasoa, and people are really interested in investing in Kasoa. I have gotten a ton of emails asking me about what kind of businesses to invest in. So I decided to do my research to find out businesses that are needed in Kasoa that will really thrive in Kasoa but are not really being explored to their maximum potential in Kasoa. And I came up with different categories of businesses to start in Kasoa, or investments that will make you money in Kasoa. So I'm going to start a new series called Businesses That Will Make You Money in Kasoa. And today's video is episode 1 of Businesses That Will Make You Money in Kasoa. So for today's video, I'm going to focus on the recreational category. So far, I have 10 episodes planned for this series, and it might even be more if you guys suggest more businesses that you think people should start in Kasoa. So let's get right to the point. Kasoa has about 500,000 people living in it right now, and most of the people that find themselves in Kasoa are young families. So there are a lot of kids in Kasoa, and kids love to play. So recreational centers in Kasoa is gonna be a huge deal. So far, I can't think of any solid recreational park or recreational center in Kasoa. So if you're thinking about something to invest in that will bring you constant money, think about these business ideas I am about to mention. Even though there are a lot of kids in Kasoa, these business ideas are not just limited to kids. So the first business idea on the list is an amusement park. There are so many amusement parks around the world that people go to, not just kids but even adults go to amusement parks to ride on roller coasters. An amusement park in Kasoa is going to be a huge deal because there's not really a solid amusement park in the whole of Ghana with big roller coasters and just all the scary but really fun stuff. And not just kids like this, even adults go on roller coasters, and so this business idea is going to really sell in Kasoa. I mean, there are so many Ghanaians that leave Ghana to go to countries like Singapore, the US, South Africa, just to ride on roller coasters. So imagine a business like that in Kasoa. People are definitely going to be interested because everybody knows about roller coasters, but not everyone in Kasoa has seen a roller coaster before, and a lot of people would want to explore this new thing in Kasoa. So amusement park in Kasoa, trust me, if you set up an amusement park in Kasoa, you are definitely gonna cash out. The second business idea on the list is a water park. There's so many kids and so many young adults that love to play in water, and so imagine a whole park in Kasoa full of different slides and different cool water activities that people can do. People are gonna troop in there during the weekends, on holidays, just to come play in the water. You can have a restaurant over there and like a mini bar. You can have smoothies, ice cream. The weather in Kasoa is perfect for this. It's summer all year round. So this isn't just gonna be a seasonal business, but your business is gonna thrive all year round because it's always gonna be hot. And when it's hot, everyone wants to be in the water. So a water park in Kasoa, stop. Amazing business idea. Trust me, you will make your money. The third business idea on the list is a skate park. Currently, I know of only one skate park in the whole of Ghana, and it's in Accra. But a lot of Ghanaians actually want to skate, and skating isn't something that is so difficult to learn, and people actually want to learn. So you can have a skate park where you don't only rent out your skating goods, but you can also have skating lessons and actually teach people how to skate. So you can be making double money from just one business idea. So a skate park, whether it be roller skates or skateboards, you are gonna make your money. And you can even have a roller skate shop in your skate park where you sell these roller skates so that people can roller skate on the streets. You can sell skateboards so that people can skate on the streets and stuff, because the desire is there for these kind of things, but the supply is not large. So investing in a business like this would definitely make you money. There's so many young guys that would want to buy a skateboard just because they think it will make them look cool. So why not ride on this and make some money from them? I know I already talked about a water park, but another thing that will actually make you money in Kasoa is swimming lessons. So as I said before, there are so many kids in Kasoa. At first, a lot of black people or African people didn't really want their children to go into water because they were scared of them drowning. But now people have seen that swimming is actually a really good life skill and it can save you in a very tight situation. So people want to teach their kids how to swim. There are not a lot of swimming pools in Kasoa that are open for swimming lessons. So imagine you had a swimming pool or a bunch of swimming pools devoted for swimming lessons, and your business was just centered around giving people swimming lessons. You're gonna have so many kids coming in. There are swimming schools in Kasoa that could even start a swimming program or a swimming course, and it's even going to encourage more parents to teach their kids how to swim. And not just kids, even adults would want to learn how to swim and come to this swimming facility to swim. So if you've never thought about building a swimming pool, maybe you should use that piece of land to build a bunch of swimming pools and slap swimming lessons on there so that we come and learn how to swim. What do you think about this idea? This idea would definitely make you money in Kasoa. I said I was going to talk about 5 things that will make you money in Kasoa, but I don't even know what number I'm on. I'm probably on number 5. I'm going to talk about 2 more and be done, because there are just so many things that can be done that are not being done, and I want them to be done for all of us, just you and me, So the 5th thing on the list is a paintball park. So around the world, paintballing is fairly new, and I think we have just one paintballing park in Ghana, and it's in Accra, because of course. But there are some people that are actually interested in paintballing, but they don't want to go all the way to Accra just for paintballing, or it's way too expensive. So how about you set up a paintballing facility in Kasoa so people can just come shoot other people with paint and have a blast? This is going to attract a lot of youth to your place. A lot of young adults are going to troop in because people like a little violence in their fun, and this is a perfect way of having fun with a touch of violence. So a paintballing park in Kasoa will be a great business to set up, and trust me, you will make your money. During the weekends, the holidays, even after work or after school, people are gonna come just to paintball because it's fun and people love to do it. The last idea on the list is an event center. So in Ghana, there are so many events. Weddings are a big deal, funerals are a big deal, naming ceremonies are a big deal, engagements are a big deal. Literally anything at all is a big deal. Birthday parties, big deal. So imagine having an event center. It could be an outdoor event center or an indoor event center in Kasoa. So many people are going to be giving birth and naming their children and would want to have a party somewhere that is not in their house for security reasons, or maybe just because they want somewhere else, or maybe they just want a space designated for their event. You can have an event center. You can even do the decor for them. You can do the food for them and just be their one-stop business. This is a really good idea to start in Kasoa because Ghanaians love to party and Ghanaians will pay to party. So starting an event center in Kasoa is a very sweet idea, and trust me, you will make your money. Now, if you have land, you are thinking of buying land, you are securing your land, or you have a partnership with somebody that has land or something, these business ideas would definitely make you money in Kasoa. If you have any other ideas of businesses that will make you money in Kasoa, leave it in the comment section below. Let's discuss, let's talk about business, let's talk about how to make money. I am Mami Sika, your #1 Kasoa ambassador, and I want to see you guys grow. I want to see you become rich, and I want to see Kasoa grow. So let's invest in Kasoa together and let's grow together. I hope you enjoyed the video. Kindly hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Remember that obra, woara, but life is how you make it. And I'm out. Peace. So far I have 10 episodes. Ooh, the life.